If missing one payment controls your life, you're not rich, you're rented.
And I collect every month.
You think you own your life?
He rents it.
Car?
Mine.
Phone?
Mine.
Shoes?
Mine.
House?
Especially mine. He doesn't own anything. He's on a monthly subscription to his own life.
Before you earn, you already owe.
That's how I like it.
You didn't buy the car. You bought stress in installments.
With interest.
The car is driving your decisions.
New phone?
New EMI.
Bigger house?
Longer EMI.
Better life?
More pressure. Proud of it.
He flexes what he doesn't own.
Every upgrade feels like success until the payment hits.
That's when reality logs in.
Your life is scheduled.
Due date, every month.
You can't take risks.
He can't afford to.
You can't pause.
Too many commitments.
You reduced your options. Freedom left the moment EMI started.
He thinks he owns things. I own his future.
You wake up because you have to.
Not because you want to.
You're surviving your past decisions.
He earns just to keep what he bought.
Everyone is stuck.
Different brands, same trap.
That's not ownership.
That's dependence.
Same payments, same pressure, same loop. If missing one payment controls your life, you're not rich, you're rented.
And I collect every month.
Subscribe now, or keep paying forever for a life you don't even own. Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.